Hola. All right, your warm up is to continue to do the things that we've been doing, right? Use your possessive adjectives. Figure out if it says the book of Juan, then it's going to be his book, right? Then this is a really cool little video that I saw last night when I was spending way too much time in TikTok. And it is if you were to translate Spanish literally, I know we've been talking about this was tener, like it literally means I have hunger or I have cold instead of I am cold. And so you're going to hear there's a lot more in Spanish that is like that we say it differently, but if you were to translate it literally, it would sound crazy. So take a look at that. Here's our baile viernes. Woohoo, it's viernes. All right, and then our final two. We knew it was morena, but between te creí and magia, let's see who our final two are. Es magia. It made it through. So we have morena versus magia. Listen to both. Place your final vote, and then after that, give your decision for why you chose the one that you did. So after that, we're going to play a Quizlet Live, something quick, because then we are going to finish our stations. If you are at home, you will be required to complete Station 1 when you get back, when you're here, as well as Station 5. And then Station 3 is a handout that's here that you're going to need to get. So those are the two, or the three rather, things that you need to make up for points for a grade. And then we are going to do a quick practice writing. So there's a handout. It's also right there. You need to look at this infographic and then answer these questions about it. Okay? Everything is there. It might be a little bit hard to see, but I think you'll be able to figure it out pretty easily. So that is our practice. And then after that, it's time to start working on the real deal. So this is your Unidad 5 writing. So it says, describe su familia. Describe your family. It's being formal in the beginning. ¿Cómo es su familia? What is your formal family like? Who are the members of your family? Do you have siblings? Who lives in your house? And then when are their birthdays? Everybody in your house. So you need to answer these questions in a paragraph, and you can see how it is going to be graded. So if you describe using three responses what your family is like, you could say, my family is big and nice and hardworking. And then who are the members of your family? Easy. You just go from there. Six responses. Again, if you don't have enough, you can either lie a little bit and pretend like you have another dog or another brother, or you can describe another family, maybe not your family, but another one, like a famous family, like, ugh, I hate them, but the Kardashians. There's lots of people in there that you could describe. And then, do you have siblings? So you're going to answer that in a phrase like, I have four brothers and whatever. Who lives in your house? Three responses for that. So my mom lives in my house, my dad lives in my house, my brother and I live in our house, things like that. And lastly, when are their birthdays? Now, these don't have to go in this order. You can make it make sense to you. Maybe you start talking about the members of your family and you say who lives there and you give their age. You could say, my brother John is my older brother. He lives in my house and his birthday is December 1st, whatever it is. So this is what we are working on. This is your writing. That's all we need to do. This will not be due. It says the 28th, which is, let me see. Is that Monday? Yes, so we will see. It might be Monday at the end of the day because I'm going to give you time on Monday in class to work on this. So just stay tuned. It's either going to be due on Monday or Tuesday, but one of those days for sure. All right, that's all we have because that is the end of the week. Hallelujah. Adios, amigos.